Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this application of Mango app and you will click here in this page. Here in this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.